violets have started to come out in the hedgerows, and there's a really nice little purple one here. There's quite a few different types of wild violet. The violas in the same family as pansies, and they have similar uses. Now the flowers, this is like the first one here. They're very good. You can make them into like a cough mixture. They're very good for any kind of coughs and colds and things, respiratory disorders. You can squish and apply them for inflammation, or have them in an ointment or something like that. And they're good for the heart and loads of other things as well. But they actually are quite tasty. Just like their close relative pansies, they're really nice. They're kind of decorative on salads, and they taste really, really nice. And you've got this big sort of nectary thing in the back here, so you can get the whole thing. And really nice and sweet, like a lot of flowers. It's really, really sweet. Unfortunately, that's the only flower out today, but you can see this other one here, sort of growing here. Lots and lots of growth. They're perennial plants. They're sort of like kind of mostly dormant for the year. They flower in the spring, and then they have these like little pods that form, and they spread like that. They seem to quite like woodland, sort of banky bits. They grow really, really well in hedgerows and banks. They like to have sort of trees nearby, but they like to get a bit of sun as well. And a really nice, reliable thing. There's loads of different types of violets from pretty much all over the world, really. Just about everywhere has its own type of violets. They're a very successful group of plants. And yeah, they flower for about a month or month and a half or so, kind of in the spring, sort of from now until kind of May probably. And it's really nice to see them coming out, little purple ones, white ones. You get so many different types of them, and they're just really nice, interesting native plants.